Guys, in this video we will see how to transfer your Windows 11 setups to a new hard drive. If you want to transfer your all Windows 11 setups to a new hard drive, then here are the process. Open control panel in your system and here open backup and restore. Click on it. On the next page, from the left side of menu, click on create a system image. Here you will find three options. Where do you want to save the backup? On a hard disk, on one or more DVDs, or on a network location. Choose a hard disk. It should be a NTFS file type. The second one is on one or more DVDs. Insert your DVDs and choose this option, and on a network location. So on a hard disk, select your hard disk and click on next. Click on next. And here the backup could take up to 130 GB of disk space. Here your disk space should be available on the new hard disk where you want to transfer your Windows 11 all setups. This following drives will be backed up: EFI system, Windows C system, Windows recovery environment system. And finally click on start backup. Your destination drive should be sufficient space of having 130 GB or described above. That's